Mochungne gedo mag apaya KURA okoni chenro mar kongo apaya ma Links Road e Nyali Mombasa biro rumo e thuolo ma oko kalo dweche adek. Midusa John Kipkegut mochungne kongo apaya no mane okethore kalore gi pi magudore okoni sani giketo odundu mag tero pi taka kaachiel kod oloko mabiro mono pi gudore alwora no. Olero ni gombo margi en keto odundu matero pi nyaka inam, to kata kamano omenda maromo shillings bilion 64 ma piny owacho ne oketo thenge ne gedo ok nyal romo chwalo pi oula nyaka inam. Chenro mar kongo apaya no ne ochakore jumbe ariyo mosekalo.
We are elevating the section using pipe culverts. We have several vertical drains along the road. Now the vertical drains will be used as a seepage area where this water will penetrate after doing the culverts. Now to protect our road also for motorability throughout the year. And then again, we have a PBC aspect that we maintain the whole road throughout the year for 12 months for the whole section. That is 7.5 kilometers. Nyali Center to Lights. The amount of water, or the volume of water that is being generated from this development are so huge that eventually will flood this section. So that is an impediment. Now, according to that, now we have the challenge of funding that for us, we could have taken these waters to the sea. Problem is funding. The amount of money that we have cannot allow us to take the water to the sea. We will take maximum